we're going to try counting backwards in the range 0 to 120. Let's have some fun counting backwards. Our job, girls and boys, is to count backwards by ones from the number 10. Put your eyes on the number 10. I found it. Let's count backwards by ones together. Count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. Put your thumb up if you could do that without looking. Well done. Thumb to the side if there's still some tricky parts. You know that that's something that you have to work on. Put your eyes on the number 20. This time we're going to count backwards by ones from the number 20. Make sure you're saying teen when you say the teen numbers. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. How did you go counting backwards from 20? Give yourself a thumbs up if that was easy for you. Put your thumb to the side if you've still got to work on that. This time, girls and boys, we're going to start at the number 26. Find the number 26 with your eyes. Oh, I found it. We're going to count backwards by ones. I'm going to start with you, but then I'm going to stop. But you're going to count backwards by ones all the way to the number 10, and then you're going to stop. Let's start together. 26, 25, 24, 23. Keep going, girls and boys. Okay, how did you go, girls and boys? Was that easy for you? If it was really easy, maybe you could try counting backwards by twos. That might make it a little bit harder. Okay, girls and boys, this time I want you to find the number 53 with your eyes. Look, I'm helping you. I found it. This time we're going to count backwards by ones, starting at the number 53. You're going to do it all by yourself this time. Off you go. 53, 52. Okay, put your thumb up if you could do it without looking at the tape measure. Put your thumb to the side if you had to look sometimes to check. And that's okay if you had to check. Well done for trying, girls and boys. Let's try another one. The next part of our counting is a challenge. This might be tricky for you, but have a go and see how you go. Okay, I want you to find the number 104 with your eyes. Ooh, I found it. Have you? This time we're going to count backwards by ones from 104 all the way to 88. I'm going to get you started. 104, 103, 102. Keep going. Okay, ooh, that one was a little bit tricky. That might be a part of your counting that you need to work on. If you could do that without looking at the tape measure, you might like to try counting backwards by twos in that range. I'm going to put the tape measure on the next slide, and you can pick where you'd like to start counting and where you'd like to stop counting. Have fun. Pick a number, girls and boys, and start counting forwards by ones from that number. Then pick a number that you're going to stop at. Okay, stop now. How did you go with your counting? Were there any tricky parts? Pick a number, girls and boys, and you're going to count backwards by ones from that number. If you'd like to try counting backwards by twos, give that a go as well. Okay, stop counting now. Okay, now I want you to think about counting backwards. That's usually a little bit trickier than counting forwards. How do you think you went counting backwards today? Could you give yourself a thumbs up? Or you might give yourself a thumbs to the side that you could do some of it, but there were some tricky parts. It's important that we think about our learning and know which parts we have to focus on more. Thanks for counting with me today. Now it's your turn to get the tape measure and pick different parts on the tape measure and practice counting. Bye for now.